Cooler weather is coming, which means it's time for you to snuggle up with a bowl of butternut squash soup. Start by frying red onion, garlic, and ginger in olive oil until the ginger is aromatic and the onions are translucent. Then add in a tablespoon of butter and let it melt before adding in cubed butternut squash and curry powder. Mix everything together so the curry coats all the squash. Now pour in 1 can of coconut milk and use this to deglaze your pot and get all the flavor from the bottom. Once that's combined, add salt and chicken stock. You can easily swap this out for vegetable stock if you prefer, and then cover and let simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, test if it's cooked by cutting a piece of squash with a spoon or fork. If it breaks apart easily, you know it's done. Now you can carefully transfer the soup to a large blender and blend until it's smooth. If you don't have a blender, try using a potato masher instead. Just be careful since it's still very hot. Once the soup is creamy and smooth, it's time to serve. Subscribe to Dished for more delicious recipes.